Have you ever felt burnt out from hosting or running a small group? Personally, I was having almost 30 people over and we constantly had to clean everything, provide food. And when I do food, it's just so much. Then clean up afterwards, draft lesson plans, discuss questions. It would just be so overwhelming. So I thought, what if we could come up with a way to consolidate, but still be able to connect over meaningful teachings and fellowship in a small group? That's how the idea of Connect in 40 was born, a virtual, scalable group that can help reach more people. Connect in 40 is going to have you have a small group leader, breakout sessions, and we're going to be able to share life together in just 40 minutes. We're going to do it Tuesday nights at 7 o'clock Eastern. So that would be 4 o'clock Pacific. And so here's how the schedule will look. Like for the first 5 minutes, we'll have like a song and everyone will be like, hey, how's it going? Susie from here, Billy from here. Good to see you. How are you? Then we'll spend the next 10 minutes discussing that week's thought-provoking questions. So let's say maybe the topic that night is hearing from God. So you'll just say, have you struggled with this? Or when was a time that you really felt like I was talking to you about something? Then we're going to listen to 10 minutes of a motivational speaker that are absolutely amazing. Then we go back to breakout sessions for 10 minutes with small group discussion, talking about what you got out of that session. And then finally, everyone gets back together for 5 minutes of closing where everyone enters the discussion. So keep life connected with Connect in 40. We'd love for you to participate. Go to connectin40.com.